Hey everyone in Senior Design class, I'm Alex Devonport.
I'm Jordan Hibben.
I'm Armand Villani.
I'm James Bradshaw, and we're Mission Transmission.
Alright, so, as you can imagine, we haven't got a whole lot of progress this semester just yet, but we've all got tasks that we're starting to work on. For example, one of my tasks, as you might remember from last semester, is fabricating a mold for making a press fit parabolic reflector for our antenna. And so, I pretty much got that down pat. I'm just working out some kinks with my 3D printer, so I can have that up and running in a couple of weeks. I'm also making a few tweaks to my my scripted CAD file, so that way we can adapt any changes that we want to in the dimensions pretty easily.
I'm pretty much in head of like the PCB board and sort of manufacturing that kind of stuff. So as far as that goes, we're still looking into the best way to print these onto the PCB board. We know we're going to use a printer with some transparency to put it on there, but we still need to do more research as to the kit and see where we can buy the whole thing in one go.
So as Alex mentioned, we almost have our model finished for the parabolas themselves. Once we get final dimensions on that, we can take a CAD file over to the machine shop and talk to them about scheduling as far as when we get that done, when we can go in to do that. And again, that's after we buy our materials and things. The other thing I'm working on right now is reacquiring HFSX access. Because last semester we had that to do all of our design work for our antenna feed elements. But right now none of us have access to that, so I'm talking to a couple different professors to find out who I need to talk to about regaining that access.
Speaking of buying things, while we could have easily accomplished building a simple wireless power transmitter for the $100 that we are to be reimbursed with, we want additional funding as per the advice of our advisor so that we have a method to compare the different manufacturing methods we may try, which we may machine it out of a billet of solid aluminum, which is kind of pricey. So we hope to fill out additional budget proposal to get funding for that, which should amount to the tune of the cost of like $400. So we still need to submit that and hopefully get more scientific up in here.
That's all, folks!